To hang a picture with a Levitate hanger, you're going to clean the area on the wall where you're going to be placing the hanger with rubbing alcohol. Then you're going to attach two 3M strips to each side of the hanger. Remove the backing from the red side of the strips and line it up with the dashed lines on the back of the hanger. On the back of your picture, mark the center, and then you're going to put the side with the tab on the back of the picture. The side with the slot will go on the wall. Remove the backing, place it in the center, and have the dashed lines towards the top of the picture. Press and hold it firmly for 30 seconds. Slide the slotted side onto the tab side with the closed end facing the bottom of the picture. Mark the wall where you want your picture placed and then remove the backing. You're going to press it against the wall and hold it for at least 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, push up on the picture to remove it, and you want to allow this about an hour for the adhesive to bond to the wall. After an hour, you can put it back on the wall and it easily rotates so you can level it.